Our audio of the week features one of the most innovative uses of radio you're likely to hear. But more importantly, the campaign actually helped rescue kidnapped domestic workers in Lebanon. It's worth checking out the full case study on the link. But for now, what you're about to hear is one example from the suite of ads that went out. Knowing that listening to local radio was one of the few luxuries these workers were afforded, we created messages that told them who they could call for help. Those messages were sung or spoken in all the different languages spoken by domestic workers, but to avoid suspicion from the perpetrators, the ads were disguised to sound like they were promoting movies or concerts, or in this case, a gym. And, with all the brands and products we work with each week, it's so satisfying to be able to use our powers for good every so often.
የቤት ሰራተኛ ከሆኑ ይሄንን ማስታወቂያ ያዳምጡ። ቀጣሪው እንዳያውቁ የጂምናስቲክ ማስታወቂያ እንዲመስል አድርገን ያቀርብነው። ድርጅታችን ለቤት ሰራተኛ መብት የቆመ በመሆኑ ስማችንን መጥቀስ አንችልም። ቢሆንም የአካል ወይም የወሲብ ጥቃት ከደረሰቦና ለሌላ ሰው ለመናገር የሚፈሩ ከሆነ እርሶን ለመርዳት ዝግጁ መሆናችንን እንዲያውቁ እንፈልጋለን። ከዚህ በፊት እንደርሶ ጉዳት የደረሰባቸውን የቤት ሰራተኛ ከጥቃት አድነናል። እርሶ ወይም ሌላ የሚያውቁት ሰው እርዳታ የሚፈልጉ ከሆነ በሚከተለው የስልክ ቁጥር በማንኛውም ጊዜ ይደውሉ። 76 57 38 42 ያስታውሱ። በማንኛውም ሰዓት በ76 57 38 42 ሊደውሉ ይችላሉ። ልንረዳው እንችላለን።